Ganun daw. Siyam, pussy.
Ang lambot na lang ako.
Hindi na nga siya malutong eh.
Kneel me! I'm happy to be kneel me! I love it! Love it! Love it! You ready for me? That is what you wanted to see from me? And I like it. Thank you for all beautiful and everything and all funny from you. I received everything in me. So happy. Siam Pussy just arrived. Totoo ba itong nangyayari? Nag-aantay ako magsabi, eme lang be, nag-aantay ako mag-ganon siya or whatever, pero wala. Takot ako, be.
Takay na!
At
Wala
first,
tong
I thought
filter,
she was just
gago.
being funny, right? But then, I got scared. Wow. That was scary. A round of applause for Sayang.
The shaking of the lips and the eyes. After this, I'm having nightmares. Is that acting or is that like a real thing? I'm like, I guess.
Okay.
Natatakot ako kasi parang feeling ko may something dark energy na pumasok sa kanya during that time. And hindi ko alam kung ano yun ha, pero I've seen that before.
Gago, yun ako paranormal expert talaga na.
Hello, Queens. It's campaign season. We'll use
Pero
Online lang daw.
ay
Real thing. I'm like, I guess.
Okay. Bawat siya sa lamin.
natatakot ako kasi parang feeling ko may something
Ano ba yun?
dark energy na pumasok sa kanya during that time. And hindi ko alam kung ano yun ha, pero I've seen that before.
Okay na ba yan?
Hindi naman nakikita.
hello. Queens. It's campaign season. We'll
Huh?
use snatch the
Si Mama Ru.
popular or get lost on the ballot. Only time will tell. She'll be the baddest bitch in the game, or snap out of it.
Oh my goodness!
It's a sniffing competition.
Hello!
Mabuhay, my dazzling delegates of drag. If there's one thing we Asians have perfected is making serious noise and leaving a mark. From Manila's people power to Bangkok's electrifying protests. All the way to K-pop stars dominating the digital sphere. Digital sphere! Asian voices are loud, proud, and unstoppable. And in the spirit of making our voices heard, today's mini challenge is all
Reaction
about
ni Deja,
casting
akala
our
ko.
votes,
Ano? Tira.
making strategic choices, and steering the pot just a little bit. Oh my God. It's time for you to rate a queen.
Let's do it, baby. You want opinions? I got them.
So each of you will go to the precinct and cast your private ballots and rank yourself and your fellow queens from best to worst from 1 to 7 based on overall performances, audience impact,
Gago.
dudes or ducks, or
Where's
whatever
the
top or
ano,
bottom, whichever reasons there may be. So queens, grab your ballots and get ready to make your pick. It's time to see who you're ready to elect.
Wow, rating a queen will be very easy with a score sheet.
Nung season 1,
Babalik akong bago yun, hindi ko pa alam
puro
eh.
high din ako. Tapos binotom ako ng mga bakla. Competition daw ako, yung mga ganyan. So parang sabi ko, shit, competition na naman ako. Okay, expect ako na naman yung pinakamababa this time.
Alright, let's start with Arizona Brandy.
Okay. 7 is I love Yua as a person. However, she has to bring more. I want to see her talk.
Gusto mo siya makitang top, really? Next up, Brigadine. Who is your best? Sino number 1?
Venus Deluxe.
Oh,
Nakikita ko talaga yung growth ni Venus Deluxe from our season. And yung pagka-risk taker niya and tiwala niya sa sarili, sobrang commendable and I wish I have the same.
Kiana.
7 si Siam. because I was a bit scared.
Why?
Sa sigaw niya. Di ko alam if seryoso ba siya or nagjo-joke lang siya, pero nabokot ako.
Siam!
Second one, I would love to give to Yoha.
You are?
Because Yoha has a good friend and then she on the same place all the time. I want to put fire on her. And the last one, I will give to Kiana.
Kiana.
Not because of you not good. She very good to me. And she already get the crown for the first episode. So, Kiana, you already get the crown.
Suki Dog.
My first one is
What the fuck is
Brigading.
that?
She is one of the strongest competitor and she's very well rounded.
How about in kissing?
The tongue was lacking,
Okay.
but the saliva was there.
Okay.
We'll give her a point
Definitely
for
that,
that.
right? Vinyas Deluxe. So who's your number one?
Siyempre sarili ko. Sino pa ba magmamahal sa akin kundi ako lang?
Hindi ikaw lang.
And pang 7 ko, si Sayam. Oo, nakapagbongga airtime naman na siya kanina. So, I think it's time for her.
Bakit? Ano mong ginawa
Back
niya?
her thanks, Charing. Nagwala siya, tapos di niya sinabing joke lang or whatever. So, parang feeling ko totoo yung pagwawala niya.
Nagwala, nagalit siya.
Nagwala siya, tumungtong siya sa lamesa. And feel niya na sabi niya, she just arrived. Okay, dahil naka-arrive ka na, alis ka na. Charing.
8 to 8. Airport.
8 to 8.
And last we have Yua.
I think I'm gonna put Kiana as number 6. She's fading a little bit. No Tinochet, she started off very strong. But what happened, Kiana?
Queens, the votes have been cast and the tea has been spilled. So, just like any good election, there can only be one landslide victory. Which queen has survived the polls and dominated the race? The winner of the mini challenge is Vinyas Deluxe!
She is the front runner. Might as well give her the first round. But do I agree with it? No.
Congratulations, Vinyas. You won a cash live of 20,000 pesos.
Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Bilis talaga bumalik ang karma. I love it. Good karma. Come. Charing.
You got a little taste of politics by ranking your queens from best to worst. So now, it's time to take things to the next level. Because for this week's Maxi Challenge, we will be doing the Snatch Election. Snatch Election.
Such election.
Snatch election?
A game show, you queens were serving the ultimate comedy challenge.
RBB ang
Politics.
diva.
Yes, that's right, queens. You'll each be running for office, but not as yourself, of course. No. You must transform into celebrity, a historical figure, pop culture icon, or anyone your heart desires. And deliver a campaign video so hilarious it leaves voters and judges gagged, cooked, and flooding the timeline with skull emojis and shit emojis. You will each have 20 minutes to shoot your Snatch Election campaign video. And Vinyas, you're the winner
Ay,
of our
video.
mini challenge.
Hindi
You
siya
will
ano,
get
parang
an extra
Snatch
minute. You also have the power to deduct 1 minute from one of your fellow queens.
Kang wala yung filter.
Who would you give that disadvantage to and why?
Siam.
She's so decisive, so pwede na talaga siya maging presidente.
Yeah, because she already had her 1 minute earlier in the table talk.
Thank you, sister, because last time when the Rosie go, I choose her because I know she really good. That's why I give that to her. Probably the same thing. She probably thinking I'm like, gonna be good, gonna be fine for Siam. That's why she picked me.
That means, I'm sorry, Siam, you will only be getting 19 minutes to shoot your campaign video as decided by Vinyas Deluxe. So use all of your time wisely and judiciously. Get ready to shake some hands, make big promises you yourself cannot keep, and most importantly, make us laugh. Alright? Bye, Queen. See you later.
How are you, Yua?
This Snatch game is not any Snatch game, but a campaign for running for president. This is gonna be so much fun.
I'm good. I'm jotting down every idea that's coming into my head, and then I'm gonna slim it down and see which ones work best. I'm trying to think the corresponding video of the lines that I am thinking.
Eto na naman tayo.
Diyan ba
Triggering
yung
na.
Type C collab?
Dai, yung hiya ko dun sa Snatch Game na nangyari ng season 1, it was so bad. I wish I can do better this time.
Can I give you a little bit of an advice? Okay, go. Have the lines ready first.
Yeah.
That you want to use in the story that you want to convey in the message, and then go to the video.
The visual.
Yeah, because right now it seems like you
Oo
are
nga,
trying to
mali,
run
Steli.
before you can even walk.
This is the week and
Bobo!
challenge na gusto kong ipakita sa mga tao na hindi ako
Nalala mo yun?
bobo sa comedy, hindi ako wali.
You're so serious, huh? My presidential balls.
Ang fishy ng joke mo, Pelo.
Who's ready to snatch some votes? Well, let's see what you have so far. Let's start with
Dapat
Dinya,
sila.
Siam, and Kiana. What's your character?
Lista, but I'm gonna do how many? I'm like Nong Look from Blackpink Lotus.
Oh, Blackpink Lotus.
I'm gonna be impersonate Lisa, but I will do in her version on her series because on her series is pretty me, you know, because like they have like a Thai dancing scene, be like a server, be like a wellness center like that. I feel like I can see
Wellness
myself doing that.
center?
I'm gonna be fun.
Kiana, you've been in the safe zone. When are you gonna be on top again?
I think this time I'm gonna be on top, and I am manifesting that because I know that I'm gonna be on top this week. Sana I'm doing Mami Oni, or should I say Tony? Follow her.
Oh.
So I decided to go and choose Mami Oni. She is an actress. She is a singer. She's a rapper. She's known for the boobs. She's known for the hips.
Very confident ako, Mama.
Okay.
Sana makita mo.
Nakita ko na yun. Gaga ka yung looks, di ba? Yung malaki dede.
I know you're worried for the looks, but I know that this is gonna be good. Don't you worry, Mama Pa.
And I believe in you.
I know.
My plan for this
Like, Mami Oni,
Snatch
siya ng Snatch
election,
Game namin ng una.
I am just gonna, you know,
Yung sa ano.
I actually don't have a plan.
that's where the challenge is. So I think I'm taking a risk because Mami Oni has a lot of viral moments. Genius. Were you doing two characters again this time?
Still challenging myself, and sana mag-pay off naman this time. I'm gonna be doing Inday Sara.
Oh.
And I'm very open for suggestions, although I'm Sarah. It's my first time to do a political character kasi parang natatakot pa akong i-touch yung ganyan lalo kapag di pa ako masyadong educated about it. So I'm willing to take a risk and I hope mag-pay off ito. Kung hindi, bahala na, ganun talaga.
Suki, Brigading, Yua, and Arizona.
My Snatch Game character is Lin May. She's an old sex icon. She used to be an exotic dancer. She was popular in the 70s, 80s, so she is now recognized a lot on TikTok.
Oo nga, dapat nag-mother seat si ano.
There's Excel sheets and everything.
Thailand,
Oh, you're so
Siam. Di ba
prepared.
nakala bobo
Snatch Game
siya.
in my season.
What did you do in your season?
What did I not do? I did
Yeah.
Yoko Ono, and I went for the smart route, and honestly, my humor is a bit more direct.
Okay.
So I went more direct.
All right.
So this character itself is already over the top. So I think the physical comedy is the route to go.
All right, Arizona.
I'm doing Lin from Las Vegas.
Models. We've seen her 1-minute video and it's gone viral. I want to bring her more life this time. I don't want to make fun of her accent. I want her to have like a dimension that she's smart. My strategy in winning this Snatch Game is I'm gonna amp it up. If I think I'm on the 150%, I'm gonna crank it to 151.
Brigading. I remember in your season, you almost went home because of this challenge, right?
Kinakabahan ako honestly mga pao kasi impersonation is really not in my turf.
Bakit?
Pero I have prepared Maria Ressa. Maria Ressa is one of the iconic figures sa mass media. I went with someone who's very serious, who's very prim and proper, like me. So hindi ako mahihirapan i-characterize siya. But the challenge is to make her funny.
Yua.
Yes, I'm doing Anna Delvey. She's a scam artist. But the thing is that she's so direct. She's not afraid to admit that she is a scam artist. She's proud of it. So I want to take all the political stuff that politicians say and make fun of it.
What you have said is actually really good. For me, what's funny is really being natural.
Thank you so much for that. It's perfect for this campaign because politicians are also con artists. And what? Anna Delvey is also a con artist.
Tomorrow, Queens, the judges and I will watch your campaign videos on the main stage. And on the runway category is Asian Mythical Creature Couture. Hashtag Nation Royale. Good luck, Queens, at dapat paka. Wait, there's more. Oh, pit crew.
Ay, ano ba yun? Tsaka.
Tsaka.
Ano nangyari?
Wait, there's more.
Sadya yun siya. Uy, nawala.
Okay. 6 Yua, 7 Sam.
Parang ano, ganon din ba sa inyo? Baka ganon talaga siya.
Previously
Ganon
on
din
Drag
sa'yo?
Race 2, Blackpink Lotus.
Diyos ko, Drag Race! Fifth Solomon, ano ba yun? Baka lang pag direct eh, ano ba?
I'm gonna be impersonate Lalisa.
She's a rapper. Really
Bakit
good.
hindi
For
nyo
me,
dinodouble
what's
check
funny is
bago
really
nyo
being natural.
ipalabas?
Watch your campaign video.
Dapat i-watch nyo yan.
Wait, there's more. Oh.
Another. Bakala, ang mahal ng bayad ng wow. Kakaloka.
We want to take our sheet personally.
My personal ranking was number 6. Do I care what other people think? No. Are you good?
Deal with chart because of what happened this morning. I think we're all
Kasi hindi na siya
done.
nag-sing.
You're gonna be okay. We're all going.
Yeah.
We're all fine. Maybe we can leave this.
Yeah,
And
let's
go back
leave
to
this.
work. We will talk more about this later for sure.
Umiyak siya.
6 Yua, 7 Sam. We want to take our sheet personally.
My personal ranking was number 6. Do I care what
the
other
fuck
people
is
think?
this?
No. Are you good?
Gusto mong magkaroon ng airtime.
Nagtagalog
So sorry. Make you all scared.
Napatagalog siya.
Scare me, and I think I can speak for most of us when I say that we're more worried for you. I don't think this
Ayan, nagbawi na si
We're
Kiara.
all going.
Ayan, nagbawi na si Kiara.
Maybe we can leave this.
Yeah,
And
let's
go
leave
back
this.
to work. We will talk more about this later for sure.
I'm trying so hard to feel like I've been okay, pero parang lahat ng ginawa pa sa akin, parang hindi ako okay.
In all the challenges, I know that I am giving my best. I am giving the mostest that I can give to everybody. So I don't know where I'm lacking.
I've been enjoying, pero parang hindi ako good enough.
It just makes me think that I don't think I deserve to be here with them because they're so good.
Lahat naman tayo dito pagod. Lahat tayo pagod na pagod. Yung mga last na challenge na to, ito yung forever magdidictate kung ano mangyayari sa atin sa mga kaliro natin.
I've seen many situations where people just lose control because they are under a lot of pressure and they crack. It's only human, and I just need to make sure that everyone's okay.
It's a big thing and no good that I do that. But sometimes I still don't know what's going on.
It came as a surprise, obviously, and I'm just make sure that you're okay. Alright?
Thank you for giving me.
You can be fine.
Sarah, let those comments affect you.
Magtitimpla akong kape, sabihin sa akin, you don't know me. Saka-arrive ko lang, ngayon lang ako dumating at makikilala niyo ako. Sabihin sa akin, there's a reason kung bakit ako nandito.
The fuck?
Those comments.
Surprise, obviously.
Oh my God!
And I'm just make sure that you're okay.
Wait nga.
Alright?
Thank you for giving me.
You can be fine.
Sarah, let those comments.
Oh my God.
Magtitimpla akong kape, sabihin sa akin, you don't know me. Kaka-arrive ko lang, ngayon lang ako dumating at makikilala nyo.
Sabi niya sa akin, there's a reason kung bakit ako nandito. Kaya ako in-invite dito. Sobrang takot ako, as in.
Hello ka pa.
Oo, te. Bakit? Ba't ka biglang magaganon? Tapos bigla siyang tumawa ng malakas. Tapos ngayon niiyak siya pag may camera. So parang bullshit.
So parang feeling ko, oh my God, this person cannot be trusted.
Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, do you do witchcraft? Sabi niya, I can't say it because of the gods.
Naniniwala ka pa naman sa mga ganun.
Ute, my last experience was that and it's very traumatic. And I can't allow someone like that in my life once again.
Hindi naman ako sobrang naniniwala dun nga sa friend ko na after ng friendship namin, dun ko na-discover na may mga ginagawa pa siya. Yung mga nagsisindi ng black candle, yung mga nagdadasal ng negative about other people, yung mga pupunta sa Quiapo para bumili ng mga potion, mga ganyan. So hindi ko alam kung ginagawa to ni Siam, pero nakita ko yung mga hand gestures niya, yung mga moves niya na ginagawa din nung friend ko dati.
Is it also triggering you, your experiences?
Yeah. Pinag-pray ko na lang siya na I
Parang
hope nasa
ka,
proper
evil eye.
mindset siya and sana maging okay siya para hindi siya maging ganun. Kung ano man yun.
Shoo away the energy since you said this.
Mamaya ko na isushoot pagtapos ng character ko.
Umpisahan natin sa mga shots na ito na po yung setup ko. Ako yung unang-unang mag-shoot, nakakaloka kasi parang baka mamaya mag-flop. Wala na po to. Kailangan ko na po yung mga pit crew. Okay lang, mahawakan ko yung mga pit crew. Okay, sige.
So, ang gagawin ko dito, side shot muna. My experience on shooting the camping video is very straightforward. I just start...
Nang mag-shoot, nakakaloka kasi parang baka mamaya mag-flop. Wala na po to. Kailangan ko na po yung mga pit crew. Okay lang, mahawakan ko yung mga pit crew. Okay, sige.
So, ang gagawin ko dito, side shot muna. My experience on shooting the camping video is very straightforward. I just started like doing all the scenes, one by one.
Action! Para sa'yo? Para sa'yo? Tang ina mo.
It's so funny, like, I am enjoying myself.
Dahil ang taong gutom, mabaho ang utong.
What for? Oh, I just have like a simple talk, but show more like the acting.
Swadika. Look is here.
I enjoy my drag version of Lisa because I know Lisa not gonna do like this. So I'll be the unique one. Lisa, thank you. I already run the whole damn resort.
And you have to lift me up. And you have to pass through the table. Pass through the table. Across it like that.
Okay, this is how you sit up here. Look at me. Sorry if I'm being direct. I have a very limited time. You're gonna be like, very sad. Girl, there was a lot of things going on. Baby, I've got 20 minutes to make this campaign work. You don't look excited, baby. Smile, baby, smile, okay. Smile, come on. This is a Yuhua produced movie. But I think that at the end of the day, it was a success. Very good. Okay, perfect.
Dito muna ako sa wide shot, tapos pag tumingin ako po sa medium shot, paki-close up po talaga ng malala. Ayan! Ganyan. Shit, mukha kong tak. Okay, go. As a producer and I've also directed, I've also acted, you know, I have background in that. I know what I want. Shh, quiet on the set. Cha! Okay. It was very smooth. That's a wrap! Oh my God! Thank you!
I'm Inday Sara.
Ulit.
I've been preparing for the Snatch Game. So akala ko prepared ako. Isang aspect lang pala yung napag-preparean ko, yung mga sasabihin lang. Pero hindi ko na-practice how she stands. Yung mga ganon. I am Inday Sara. Ay, sorry. Ulit. I am your Winnie BP Sara. Ayun yung mga struggles na parang ang dami nangyayari sa utak ko and I have to live up sa aking Rue badges. Hindi ako pwedeng maligaw ng landas.
Okay na po. Doble ko na lahat. Yan lang.
Ooh. Maganda. Parang tutubig.
Mabuhay! I'm your queen ang inang host and welcome to the main stage of Drag Race Philippines Malaysian Royale. Drag Race Philippines Season 2 winner, captivating Cat Cat. Hi, Cat Cat. What would be your political slogan?
Kay Captivating Katkat, walang burat na makakagat, pero libre ang karat sa lahat!
Sa sarap! You have my vote, Kat. And we also have Global Drag Superstar Alyssa Edwards. Alyssa, it arms. Racers, start your engines and may the best
Ayoko na, babay na.
Nation Queen win!